Hello everyone, today let's talk about TG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has NBR rubber and FKM rubber. This is a red-brown color. And this size is internal diameter is 35, external diameter is 62. This thing is 12. There is 12. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. And it have many following features. It has vulcanized at a low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, decaying skeleton. It also has skeleton. We also can provide the customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material. If you like this, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.